Everyone seems to think that attorneys are just difficult to work with. But after years of building relationships with hundreds of them, I can tell you the real truth, and it might surprise you. I'm Randy Lovelace, and I've worked with attorneys for years through my legal nurse consulting business. And before I started this journey, I had the same stereotypes that most of us have. I thought attorneys were intimidating and demanding and just impossible to please. But here's what I discovered. Attorneys are human beings, just like us, doing incredibly challenging work under intense pressure. And once you understand their world, working with them becomes not just manageable, but downright rewarding. Now, today I want to pull back the curtain and show you what it's really like to work with attorneys every day as a legal nurse consultant. And let me start by shattering some myths. Attorneys are not typically cold calculating machines. They're people with families and fears, hopes and dreams, just like you and me. I've worked with attorneys who literally get teary-eyed when they talk about helping a family get justice after losing a loved one to a medical malpractice case. I've seen them work weekends, holidays, not because they need money, but because they genuinely care about their clients and the outcomes. Yeah, they can be demanding, but here's the thing. They're not demanding because they enjoy being difficult. They're demanding because every case they handle represents real people whose lives are typically changed by some sort of tragic event. A missed detail, a sloppy analysis, it can mean the difference between a family getting the justice they deserve or going home empty-handed. One of our Catalyst clients recently told me about an attorney who caught her crying after they won a significant settlement for a family whose kid had been injured during birth. That's the human side you don't typically see from the outside. But understanding the human side is just the beginning. To really work effectively with attorneys, you got to understand the professional pressures they face every day. In the legal world, there's no such thing as close enough or good enough. Attorneys live in a world where precision isn't just preferred, it's required. When an attorney uses your chronology in a depo, they're staking their professional reputation on your accuracy. If you've made an error in medical interpretation, that attorney could be embarrassed in front of their client, the opposing counsel, and potentially a judge. One of our Catalyst clients recently told me about an attorney he was working with who said the demand letter that they had written was so well crafted that it helped the attorney achieve policy limits for his client. And that attorney didn't just pay that legal nurse, he immediately gave them 2 more cases. That's what happens when you understand that your quality directly impacts their success. And something a lot of legal nurse consultants don't realize, when you deliver exceptional work, you're not just completing a project. You're not just doing a job. You're making that attorney look good to their clients, their partners, potentially in court. And on the flip side, subpar work, it doesn't just cost you one case. It can damage the attorney's reputation. And it can damage their trust in legal nurse consultants in general. I've talked to attorneys who said they tried working with a legal nurse consultant in the past and got poor work and decided to never use one again. This is why in Catalyst we have students complete 3 full practice cases with individualized feedback on each one, because when you're working with real attorneys on real cases, there's no room for practice mistakes. That's for practice cases. See, and if healthcare runs on hospital time, the legal world runs on like court time or legal time, and the court is unforgiving. In the legal world, deadlines aren't just suggestions, they're legal requirements. Missing a filing deadline, you could lose the right to pursue a case entirely. Miss a discovery deadline, and critical evidence that could have helped or hurt your case might be excluded, and we'll never know. When an attorney gives you a deadline, they've already worked backward from their court date, or the court deadlines, the client meetings, the settlement negotiations, other obligations they have. And your deadline is part of a complex timeline that affects real people's lives. Now imagine knowing that if you missed a deadline, a family might not get justice for their loved one who died unreasonably. That's the pressure attorneys live with every day. Here's a beautiful thing though. When you consistently deliver quality work on time, you become one of the few resources attorneys can truly count on. That's incredibly valuable to them. Attorneys live in a world where language is everything. The difference between possible and probable in a medical opinion could be worth millions in a settlement. When you write things like the patient suffered cardiac arrest, an attorney needs to know, was it sudden? Was it predictable? Were there warning signs? Could it have been prevented? Each of these distinctions that we make could be critical to the entire case strategy. This is why generic medical summaries, they don't work in the legal world. Attorneys need analysis that speaks to the specific legal questions in their case. They don't just want to know what happened medically. Anybody can do that. They want to understand how the medical facts support or undermine their legal theory. And when you can prove that level of strategic insight, you become invaluable. You don't need to be a lawyer. You need to understand that every medical fact you present could be used in depositions, in settlements, in negotiations, or in trial. And the way you present information affects how persuasive it is in a legal context. And there's something that might surprise you. Most attorneys genuinely care deeply about their clients. I know I mentioned that before, but it's not just like a one-off thing. I've worked with attorneys who have spent their own money hiring experts and other people to come in and help build their case because they believe so strongly in the client's case. And I've seen them work through nights and weekends because they know their client is counting on them. Personal injury attorneys, you might not know this, they often work on contingency, meaning they only get paid if they win. That's not a business model you choose unless you're confident in your ability to deliver results for your clients. Attorneys dealing with medical malpractice, personal injury, wrongful death cases, they see tragedy every day. Much like us in nursing, they hear stories that would break your heart to the general public, and they carry this responsibility of trying to make things right. When you provide them with medical expertise that helps them better serve their clients, you're not just completing a business transaction, you're contributing to justice. Attorneys are smart people, but they're not medical experts. They need us to help them understand the complex medical situations so they can better advocate for their clients. But be careful that you don't fall into the trap of treating attorney relationships transactionally. They're not transactions, they're partnerships. Attorneys are extremely busy people. They have limited time. They don't have hours to spend explaining their case to new consultants, training them on their preferences, hoping the work will be acceptable. When they find a legal nurse consultant who understands their world, one who delivers quality work consistently, one who communicates effectively, man, they want to keep working with that person. Think about it from the attorney's perspective. They could spend 2 hours explaining a complex case to a new consultant who might or might not deliver what they need, or they could just call their trusted legal nurse consultant who already understands how they work and what they value. Bada bing, bada boom, what are they going to do? They're going to use the one they trust. And when an attorney uses your chronology to form his case or uses your analysis in settlement negotiations, they're staking their credibility on your work. That's not something they do lightly. And here's a dirty little secret about the legal nurse consulting industry. Most firms focus entirely on the work product and completely ignore relationship building. Many LNC firms treat attorneys like order numbers. They provide generic services with minimal communication, and then they wonder why they don't get repeat business. Most legal nurse consultants don't take time to understand each attorney's practice, their preferences, their specific needs. They use a one-size-fits-all approach that leaves attorneys feeling like just another client. And I've heard attorneys complain about legal nurse consultants who just disappear after taking a case, and they only resurface, guess what, when they're going to deliver that final product. No updates, no communication, no relationship building. And then you don't hear from them again until what? They want another case, right? This relationship deficit in this industry creates a massive opportunity for legal nurse consultants who do understand the importance of building genuine partnerships with attorneys. When you focus on understanding their world, communicating strategically, building trust over time, and getting to know them on a personal and professional level, you stand out dramatically from the competition. This is exactly why relationship building is such a core component of our Catalyst program. We don't just teach you how to create chronologies, we teach you how to build partnerships with attorneys that generate consistent income for years. We teach you to think like attorneys think, communicate in languages they value, and position yourself and your services as solutions to their specific challenges. In Catalyst, you learn how to have strategic conversations that build trust, how to provide updates that add value, how to position yourself as a partner rather than a vendor. We provide you with follow-up systems, communication templates, relationship building strategies that honestly most L&C firms completely ignore. And you become part of a community where you're supported, encouraged, motivated. Look, working with attorneys every day can be incredibly rewarding when you understand their world and when you build genuine relationships. You can see that in some of our testimonials. Our legal nurses love working with their attorneys. These attorneys are passionate professionals, and they care deeply about their clients, and are looking for medical experts that they can trust and rely on. When you become that partner, you don't just get cases from them. You build a sustainable business based on ongoing partnerships. In Catalyst, we teach you not just the technical skills of legal nurse consulting, but how to build relationships that make this career truly fulfilling and financially rewarding. So check out our free training where I show you exactly how to position yourself as a kind of legal nurse that attorneys want to work with again and again and again. The link for that free training is in the description below. Guys, the attorneys are out there and they're begging for you. They need what you have to offer. You just need to know how to build the relationships that make it all work. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.